Can we see? You can't see the socks. That's it. There's the socks. So today's plan, you can't see in the video actually. Let me get that. So we got. Well, I made 6 stencils there. 6 stencils, and then lily ones all around the leg. So I think what probably when I was making stencils, I was thinking I probably need. You reckon you could kind of sketch how you see it, and I think then I could just use the stencils to match that, because you probably have some look when you look in the mirror. And you're like, I want that to go there.
Yeah, I want it to go round that way.
If you could draw that, so that way it will be easier than me wondering and trying to read her mind, where I can just give a marker, and then she just does it easy.
I could draw a straight line there.
Yeah, don't worry. The plants are not meant to go straight. Alright, that's brave. You know, that's brave woman. Where's the finish? Any ideas? Are you want to finish on the back, yeah? Or more front?
See what you think will work when you stick them on.
How does it make that from full loop? Because I think if you have a leaf in the front,
yeah,
I think you would love that more.
Yeah.
Maybe that's
like
where we
I say,
can.
I like some areas bulky, some areas thinned out. Stick on how you think they're going to look. As long as they're like wrapping round.
We need to take the socks off, yeah. I think this guy, I thought this is quite useless, but actually it could work well. There. And then I think as a girl, you will want to see that in the mirror. You'll be like,
yeah,
just like there. And then if you have something that's pointy there, that could work. So that could be the bottom. Do you have any? So you said, well, the ones you sent me. This one was like the middles. This one was the upper legs. Do you want this area to be thinner? Do you want the chunkier more there?
yeah. I think chunkier about here, and then like just some viney bits coming this way.
I think that would. Curvature is a bit different.
It doesn't have to be an exact curve or something like that, as long as it's going within that direction.
Yeah. So you want to start from underwear line, yeah?
Yeah.
So that could work there. How's it looking if you turn it around? How's it looking down the legs? Because these are like the big ones we have. Maybe under the knee. Then we have like a bigger one. A bigger one. Final. No?
Yeah.
Probably gonna make loads of little stress cuts. You guys probably don't see anything, huh? Basically we are adding little small lines in there so it wraps on her more. And then before even trying to like understand the whole thing, it's easier to stencil the areas we know and then stencil what we don't know. And then it will kind of, the areas we don't know or we can't see, they will just reveal themselves pretty much. And then another note, this is her first ever tattoo. Straight for like fucking 6 stencils, full leg, all wrap around knee.
Why not?
You reckon you'll make it?
Do it.
You reckon you'll make it?
Yeah.
Otherwise your mum's gonna bully you, no?
No, she's the one who keeps saying, I can't even deal with a full day sit anymore.
Too old for that, huh?
Yeah.
I think there's like a threshold when you have so many day sessions, you just get sick of them.
Yeah.
And I think once you try 2 hours or 3 hours,
And she's like, you won't make it to work tomorrow.
that's a possibility, yeah. Because tattoo flow, basically the way it works is your body doesn't understand this is a tattoo. Your body thinks this is a flow. So it all it knows is it's unknown liquids in your body. The body's like, the fuck is this? And it literally makes antibodies to go and kill it. Damn. I think a flower there will be dope.
Yeah.
Huh? And then that nicely curves around the knee as well. Maybe I'm gonna cut that off. Gonna disassemble that a little bit. Because this is something we can flow more with that instead of that. It's going like in a wrong direction. That's around the knee. And then see these stress cuts just allow to like bend it where we want to bend it. Goes on way easier. Ooh, that really nicely curves around the knee. Too good. I don't even know if you need that big one there. I didn't plan that. What I wanted to do, if you turn a little bit more, yeah. I wanted to put the one that we cut off to extend this. So it follows the flow. That's there, that's there. Sometimes when you take these off, don't damage them because sometimes you can reuse them. And sometimes you don't need to reuse the whole stencil. You just like, oh, I like that little flower again. And you can use the same stencil elsewhere. if you don't fuck it up. Not everything is worth keeping, but sometimes you just like, oh, like that little leafy thing, and you can literally take that leaf and just put it there, and then you can use the same stencil a few times. Right, this is where we can stencil the upper thigh, the fun bit. I think you can finish with one of these.
Yeah.
I think that could be like a nice final. I'm gonna stencil the big one there, and then whatever's left, I think that one will be like a nice finito. How's about that? I don't think we need that one. That's just, it's weird. No, or you wanna? I think that guy would be, probably the hardest will be to not fuck up the stencil as we tattoo, because I'll be pulling some lines, and but you'll be sleeping on some lines.
Yeah.
And then you'll be not allowed to move.
Yay!
That's gonna steal from the flower. That's gonna steal from the flower. So you're allowed to break your stencils in half if you need to. Or maybe this one. No, I think this one's pretty cool.
Yeah.
In a sense, I'm thinking so it doesn't steal from this, and like it starts from a triangle and it expands itself. It's not too big for you, no? Where are we? Now we need to land. There probably will be some areas that I physically just can't see now. We'll just need to draw with a marker here and there, just make them fit. If you could somehow spin yourself around, the gap is not really that big anymore. That's gonna re-stencil itself. Just a little flower there would be a really nice transition from that line work into that line work. To that more cream. And then you're allowed to like, well, you can almost see there. You're allowed to like stencil over the stencil, and then you can just extend those lines wherever you please afterwards. Try to focus to just keep the little flower there, about there. And then I can just stencil inwards somewhere, and then I will make those stems touch afterwards somehow. It's going too high now, probably not that one. Extend that stem into that one, like just gonna curve that a little bit. Probably gonna skip that. We'll see, maybe in the future we're gonna make it thicker. So if you twist a little bit, see what that looks like. Yeah, I'll need to draw from there instead of there. That's cool, that will link to there, sound. There, the bottom leg, where are we there? We probably should stencil that guy in the front then. Look like no, probably if he passed me this. Can you guys see? He probably can't see anything. So, imagine she's looking in the mirror and she wants to see pretty much all of it, and then what she will see is like the start, kind of mid, and then it would be cool if she also sees the final, so it's all like visible, start to finish it. Any ideas how far down you want to go on your foot?
Whatever you feel like.
You're one crazy lady, you are, you know. You sound like Amy's kid.
Well, makes sense, doesn't it?
Oh, I can literally turn that into a foot tattoo. I can literally round that around your ankle. Well, we're going to go for it. Because what I'm thinking is, to use half the material or like half the real estate, you kind of create these like weird gaps. You're like, then what? It's not really. It's kind of like sleeve goes up to like that, and then there's nothing there. Hopefully, you're not gonna regret this.
What's going to be funny is seeing me and Mum stood next to each other. It's like dark against light.
Oh, as your boyfriend, does he want any or?
Yep, he's literally on about getting booked in with Sean.
What are you thinking?
He wants, Sean did a tattoo on one of his mates for his nan when he died, and he wants more or less the same thing but for his dog. So, do you know that tattoo that Sean did where it was the staircase to heaven and it was till we meet again?
I can't recall from out of my memory, but I can imagine.
Yeah, he wants more or less the same, but he wants 2 pathways coming off it, one for his dog, one for him.
That needs to go there. So I'm thinking the leg curves that way, yeah? So it goes there, yeah. So like naturally the leg literally bends there. Then we have this. I probably need to bend. So because the paper is bendable, you can bend it where you need to go. So I'm gonna bend that physically all around the ankle. You're gonna be loving me. And then that goes on top of the foot. I don't know if that needs to go there. Maybe we'll change that. I think those two we don't need that. I think like that gives nice in.
Yeah.
But that kind of goes backwards to somewhere. If anything, I could do like another one that goes there. Something like, what did we just use? Maybe that. Like it gives from corner, comes in and goes to like the toe. Let's say that section. Like photoshopping with the stencils instead of that. I think it goes, we'll see, maybe you don't need to go to the toe itself, or maybe you want to like show off and have to the toe. We'll see. If you could turn back to me, yeah. And then probably more. I need to see where the end there is. There, that is there. Can you guys see? Yeah. So what have we not used? We have not used this one yet. Oh, that's really nice actually. If you put it like that, really nice. Have like 2 flowers. I can use those flowers really nicely. They would be just before ankle. Really nice. Loads of cream, and when you put the creams on, just put a little bit more than you think you'll need, because the paper goes everywhere. And if you put too much cream and you don't use the area, cool. But if you don't put enough and the stencil doesn't stick there, and then you need to re-stick and redo that, not cool. 2 heads there, body goes there. You can apply some pressure to like bend the stencil where you want it to go. So it's a good feeling when the stencil is like breaking off, then you know it's like strongly there. Maybe, do I need anything there? Probably not. That's cool. I'll need to join that one with that one, that's cool. That line goes into that one, that's cool. I feel like we're pretty much there. I still got a little bit of paper there. I think now for the base, I think it's pretty sound. I just need to like clean up with the markers.
Yeah.
Check yourself in the mirror, see if you like how you say, maybe you want to like areas a little bit thicker or thinner, or shave off some stuff, add some stuff.
I'm happy with that. I'm sure halfway through you'll do what you do to mum and be like, no, need to chuck some in there.
Up to now. I think there's like, I think this style is opposite. It's like less is more. That will need to join in there. Stem goes in there. Do you want that little one or not? I just think it kind of breaks the character.
Yeah.
All your ones are like toe down, that just goes in a weird place.
No, we can shut that one away.
You turn back to me more. I need to make sure this one, there's a couple of the stems. One's there, one's there. Extend that one into that one. And you even see that. Yeah, all these get the ones that float around now. I would join them together with that, and then probably add some leaves where leaves should be, and even turn some of these into more leaf creatures. So if you turn more back to me, yeah, that one can become that stem, and it goes there, follows this, becomes that, goes through, and then that becomes there, that one there. It's kind of cool style where you can add like mandalas, it look cool, you can add flowers, look cool, you can add birds, look cool. It's kind of style that can be altered, or you can just leave as it is and it'll be cool. So if you turn a little bit back this way, the stem goes, the stem needs to go there now. That's the stem, and then this leaf, I'm probably going to put it there. That will become, this one I can turn. You're going to love me here. Okay.
Yeah, I know. I remember being with mum when she had the back phone you done.
You can already feel it, probably a marker, no? Kind of scraping against me.
Yay.
Happy days, huh? Yeah. I don't even know if we need these. It kind of also breaks apart into there. All this kind of flows. Same kind of thickness, and these want to go like where they're not supposed to. I'm probably going to add some extras when I tattoo. Something that fits more to story. Maybe these little ones is cool. Or maybe I'm going to shave this smaller. More outlines and minimal shading, yeah. So that is the thinking process behind Lily's leg. And it's easier when you give markers to people and then they just show you. Instead of me trying to guess, no. This is like, gets us nowhere. This way is way easier. I've learned to like, make life harder. It's a skill. You have to like learn how to not make your life hard. Really nice though. That follows really nice your hip line. That really goes around the knee, and that makes your leg almost like longer and slimmer. Like
I'm a bit short.
Cuddles all around. Yeah, I think that was really girly. No? And then as much as you had like 6 long stencils, you still got so much space on it. Like
Exactly.
you got so
Always
much
room to
real
add
estate.
anything.
Mom's gonna be jealous.
No skin left.
She's really nervous now, isn't it? When she's like
Yeah.
about 40% left, maybe 30%. So yeah, that's as far as stenciling goes, guys. We'll see if I film any videos midday. We'll see.